Hey, future online earners of TNT. Have you ever wondered how to get paid online right here in Trinidad and Tobago? It can feel like a maze, but today I'm breaking down the best ways to get your hard-earned cash, featuring Payoneer, Wise, and PayPal. The online world offers incredible opportunities for Trinidadians. Whether you're freelancing, selling products, or offering services, knowing how to receive payments is absolutely crucial. Let's dive into the practical solutions you need to know to leverage these global opportunities. First up, we have Payoneer. This platform is a fantastic option for freelancers and businesses worldwide. You can receive payments from international clients and platforms directly into your Payoneer account, often with a US or EU bank account number. You can then withdraw these funds to your local bank account in Trinidad and Tobago, making it super convenient. Next, let's talk about Wise, formerly known as TransferWise. This service is all about transparent and low-cost international money transfers. You can get local bank details in multiple currencies, allowing clients to pay you as if they were making a local transfer, significantly reducing fees and speeding things up. Wise offers competitive exchange rates and lower fees compared to traditional banks, saving you money on every transaction. And of course, we can't forget PayPal. It's one of the most widely recognized online payment systems globally. Many online platforms and clients use PayPal for sending and receiving payments, and you can link your local bank account or card to it. While receiving money directly to a TNT bank from PayPal can sometimes be a longer process, it's still essential for many online transactions and services, and often a gateway to other platforms. No matter which platform you choose, make sure all your accounts are fully verified. This often involves providing identification and proof of address. Always be aware of transaction fees, withdrawal limits, and currency exchange rates, as these can impact your final earnings. Staying informed helps you maximize your profits. Now you know the key players for how to get paid online in Trinidad and Tobago. Explore Payoneer, Wise, and PayPal. Choose the best fit for your needs and get started on your online earning journey. Don't let payment hurdles stop you from achieving your financial goals. Please like, share, and subscribe. Up next is our video on best online business ideas that work in Trinidad and Tobago. Learn strategies to build an audience, increase views, and monetize a YouTube channel faster step by step. To make money is a strategy, not a lottery.